Good afternoon, Namaste dear student. Welcome back once again in this distance teaching learning class organized by FAFSAN. Where in last class we discussed equation. Now today we are going to discuss or we are going to learn inequality. Is that clear? Inequality is an open mathematical statement which contain less than equal to, greater than or greater than equals to sign. Is that clear? Now let me discuss all these things in detail. Now please see here, we already discussed that an equation is the open statement containing equals to sign. Is that clear? Like x plus 2 equals to 5. Okay, this is equation because there is equals to symbol. So this is equation. Now on the other hand, if an statement contains a symbol like less than, this is a symbol of less than, greater than, this is symbol of greater than, less than and equals to, okay, and greater than equals to, then it is called an inequation or simply you can say inequality. Is that clear? In inequation, generally we used to use 4 symbol. This is less than, all right, and this is greater than. Is that clear? And less than equals to this. Is that clear? And this symbol is greater than equals to. All right. Now we have to deal with these 4 symbol in inequality. All right. Let me write some example. Suppose y is less than 5. Symbolically, how to write? How to represent? Please see here. Y is less than 5. Symbolically, you can write the value of y is less than 5. And y, the value of y is less than and equals to suppose 5. These all are the example. Y is less than and equals to 5. So y, this is a symbol of less than equals to, okay, equals to 5. Similarly, x minus 2 is greater than and equals to suppose 10. Then how to write? Please here, x minus 2 is greater than and equals to, that means this is the symbol of greater than equals to, okay. If only this, then greater than, and if there is greater than and there is another line, then it will be greater than equals to. That means, okay, these are the some example of inequality. Is that clear? All right. Okay. Question number 1. If the set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, it is a replacement set. Is the replacement set. Replace the variable of the inequality x plus 2 greater than 3 by each element of the of the replacement set. And find the solution set. Is that clear? Question here it is, if A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, it is the replacement set. Replacement set means we have to replace the value of x by first time by 1, second time by 2, third time by 3, and fourth time by 4. Okay. Solution, how to do, please here. Here it is given replacement set. Here we have replacement set. Here it is given A equals to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a replacement set. It is given here. And another condition it is given here, and x plus 2 is greater than 3. Replacement set means you have to replace all these elements, all this value in x. Okay. Suppose you have to replace this value in this equation. Okay. Or you can write, and let me write this over here. Okay. Now when the value of x equals to 1, then you have to replace the value of x by 1 first time, then 1 plus 2 greater than 3, or you can write 3 greater than 3. This is not true. 3 cannot be greater than 3. That means this is false, which is not true. Okay. When the value of x, when x equals to 2, then you have to replace the value of x by 2. 2 plus 2 is greater than 3, or you can write 4 is 2 plus 2 4. 4 is greater than 3, which is true. Because 4 is greater than 3. Similarly, when x equals to 3, 3 plus 2, or you can write 3 plus 2 5 is greater than 3, which is true. Is that clear? Similarly, when x equals to 4, then 4 plus 2 6. 6 is greater than 3, which is also true. Okay. When now this here, when you replace the value of x by 1, then this is not true. When you replace the value of x by 2, then this condition it is true. And when you replace the value of x by 3, then this is also true, because you are getting 5. 5 is greater than 3. And when you replace the value of x by 4, then again this statement is true in this condition. Therefore the solution set, it will be equals to, please here, which one is true? Please here, this is not true, then this will not be solution set. Okay. Now 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, it is the solution set for this question. Okay. According to the question, by each element replace each element you have to replace in this equation, and you have to find solution set. So this is the solution set. Is that clear? Understood? Okay. Okay, please here, if set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the replacement set, replace the variable of the inequality x plus 1 greater than 4 by each element of the replacement set and find the solution set. Okay, it is similar to previous question. So I am leaving this question you as home assignment. Is that clear? Okay. Now question number 2. Represent the following inequalities in number line. Number A, x is greater than 3, and number B, x is less than equals to 2. Okay. Now how to represent this inequality in number line? Now we are going to discuss over here. Now you know number line how to draw. We can use graph paper. Place here. Now you can write, you can start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 up to minus infinity. Okay. Now how to represent this in number line? The value of x, must be greater than 3. Now here greater than 3 means more than 3. Here 3 is here in number line. So x is greater than 3. In greater than or less than, okay, we have to use this empty circle. Okay, understood? In less than equals to or greater than equals to, we have to use dark circle. Is that clear? In this symbol and this symbol, we have to use this circle. Meaning, what is the difference between them? In this case, 3 is not included. Understood? The value of x is greater than 3. All right. Suppose if there is dark circle, then this value also included. All right. Okay. That means we can represent this inequation in number line in this way. Is that clear? Understood? Okay. Now let me do another question. And here it is, question number B. The value of x is less than equals to 2. Okay. Now please check here. What is 2? Here is 2, but there is symbol less than equals to. So in this case 2 also included. So you have to represent by dark circle. Okay. The value of x is less than equals to 2. Less than means 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. That means this is the solution. Okay. X is less than equals to 2. We can represent this inequation in number line. Okay. In this way you can represent. All right. Now number C, x is greater than 4. Number D, x is greater than equals to 2. Okay, here it is less than equals to 2, here is greater than equals to 2. Number E, the value of x less than equals to 3. Okay. Number F, greater than 1. Okay. Okay, you can do yourself this question, C, D, E and F. Okay, I am leaving this question for you as home assignment. Okay, you can do in the similar way. All right. Question number 3. Find the solution set of the following inequalities and represent them on number line. Is that clear? Yeah. Now question, x plus 1 less than 5. Okay. Now find the solution of the following inequalities and represent them on number line. Okay. So our question is x plus 1 less than 5. Okay. Now how first we have to find, our intention is to find the value of x. Okay. Now here is plus 1. Okay. So x plus 1 less than 5. Okay. Now our intention is to find the value of x plus 1. So then minus 1. If there is plus 1, then minus 1. If there is plus 2, then minus 2. Okay. If there is minus 1, then plus 1. Okay. Then 5 minus 1. That means subtracting 1 both side. Subtracting 1 on both side. Okay. Subtracting 1 on both side. All right. That means, or you can write x less than 5 minus 1, 4. So now you have to represent this in number line also. Okay. Therefore, what will be the solution set? Solution set, how to find? Solution set, the value of x are less than 4. That means less than 4 means 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, in this way, like 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, all these are the value less than 4. Okay. Minus 1, minus 2. This is the solution set for this question. Okay. Now you have to represent this in number line also. Now like previous question, you can represent all this in number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Then the value of x is less than 4. So empty circle. In this way, because the value of x is less than 4, all these value 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, all these are less than 4. So you can write here x is less than 4. Is that clear? This is the this is the solution set, and we are representing all these solution set in number line. Okay. Okay. Now number B, x minus 3 greater than equals to 4. Number C, x plus 2 greater than 5. Okay. Number C, x minus 4 greater than less than 3. Okay, these 3 questions I am leaving for you as home assignment. Is that clear? Okay. Now let me do another question. 2x plus 3 greater than equals to 7. Okay, how to solve this? Okay, there is coefficient of x also 2. Okay, there is number 3 also. Okay, solution, we have here, you can write 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 is greater than equals to 7. Okay. Now first let us try to eliminate this 3, that means subtracting 3 on both sides. 2x plus 3 minus 3 greater than equals to 7 minus 3. All right. Or you can write, we are doing minus, why we are doing here minus 3? Because there is plus 3. If there is plus 4, then minus 4. Then if there is minus 5, then plus 5. Okay. Our intention is to find the value of x. Okay. Then 2x, 3 minus 3 0. Then greater than equals to 7 minus 3 4. Okay. You can write result also, subtracting 3 on both sides. Now, or 2x greater than equals to 4. Okay. Our intention is to find the solution for x. Okay. That means dividing by 2. Okay. There is coefficient of x is 2, so we are dividing by 2. Then you can cancel this 2. Then or x greater than equals to 2 to the 4. Therefore, solution set it will be equals to, now greater than equals to 2. Then in this case greater than equals to means 2 also included. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the solution set for this question. Okay. Now again you have to represent this in number line also. In this way you have to represent in number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. Yes, here the value of x is greater than equals to 2. So you have to use dark circle. X is greater than equals to 2. All right. Understood this? Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.